What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, if you were a part of the live stream this morning, you saw that I was contemplating spending money. Things have dropped down significantly, and while we're not going to get into that information in this video, I do want to talk about the fact that XRP looks amazing at these prices, right? I'm not saying it looks amazing as in like I'm gaining a ton of money out of it, but it does look amazing from the fact that I'm able to purchase more. There's a lot of people that will say, hey, maybe XRP is not worth what you think it's worth, but I really do think that it's going to be worth a hell of a lot. That's going to have a massive use case, multiple use cases, and a meaning to what it is. So I'm excited for what this position will be. I'm excited for the price that it will be at, the use that it will have, and just the people that will be talking this thing up because of how amazing it will be. But again, this is just my opinion. No way am I a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy anything. I'm telling you what I am buying. I'm telling you what I decided to get into. And with that being said, I decided to purchase more XRP. And I said I wasn't going to be buying anything else, that I was going to be sitting on the money that I do have. But these prices just look so enticing, right? I don't care, how high it does go. And I don't really get excited about that happening. I get more excited about the lower prices because it creates an opportunity when you do have money. And I technically have money available to spend, but I shouldn't be doing that. But I did decide to go ahead and buy more XRP. If there was any positions that I were going to buy, it would be CRO and XRP, and I decided to buy more XRP today. And honestly, CRO isn't looking that bad either. But this video is about XRP. So guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links that are down below, feel free to check out those links. I have my Patreon down below. I also have HG Access if you want to be a part of that. HG Access has a ton of creators that are coming together to create live streams, create different alpha plays, and just give you the best experience within the crypto market that you can, especially if you're looking to gain something out of it. Great group of people. I do have my personal Patreon if you want to join that as well. Also, if you want to start trading cryptocurrency on Margex, definitely go ahead and do that. The link to Margex is in the description. This is a great platform to where you can day trade, you can swing trade, you can make all types of investments while investing with leverage. And this leverage may be a little bit different than what you're used to, where you leverage your entire account. You're only leveraging what you put in. So you can really manage the amount of risk that you have rather than seeing it drop down as much as crypto drops down. If you get liquidated, and you move on and you live to fight another day, which is definitely something that's different than a lot of platforms. So if you want to start trading XRP up to 50x leverage, or you can do a 5x leverage, maybe you only have a little bit of money, feel free to do so. The link is in the description. But we're here to talk about XRP as a whole. Currently, XRP is sitting at 51 cents, 51.2 cents. It's down 3.4%. And we're seeing that the volume, we're seeing 1.4 or almost $1.5 million in volume. We're sitting at a 27 or almost $28 billion market cap. I know people are concerned with the supply issue, right? And when I say issue, I don't really classify it as an issue, but some people do. The supply having 54 billion and them releasing a billion per month. I really don't see that as a big long-term effect to this position or even short-term effect with this position. I think it is kind of, maybe a little bit of a hindrance on the price growth, but I still see the amount of buying volume, the amount of potential that comes through there. You see billions upon billions of dollars that goes through this in a day. So it's not really going to affect it too much for the short term or even for the long term, in my opinion. Now, as I see these prices, as I saw this dip right here that's right behind my head, you saw this dip all the way down to 50 cents. I see this as an opportunity, right? If I spent $1,000, I would be able to get 2,000 coins out of it. That's just how that goes, right? Because if I had a dollar and I spent $1,000, it would be 1,000 coins. But half of that is 2,000 coins that I would be able to get. So that's a big deal because I feel as though having multiple thousands, a lot of people believe 10,000 is that level that you need to have. I even made a video talking about how if you want to become or guarantee yourself to become a Jasmy, not a Jasmy, a XRP millionaire. Sorry, I was thinking of Jasmy. An XRP millionaire, you need to have 17,256, I believe it was, and at least that much. And if you have that much, then you give yourself the opportunity to become an XRP millionaire. However, it doesn't guarantee that you will become an XRP millionaire. So, what did I do today? I decided to buy more XRP. And it's not a small amount of XRP that I decided to buy. Like I didn't go and say, all right, I'm going to buy $100 or $200 worth of XRP. No, I bought more XRP, and I bought just over 4,000, I believe, or just under 4,000 XRP because I needed to get more at these prices. I feel as though this is a great price to have it, and I'm a big fan of XRP. So I decided to drop $2,000 more on it. During the live stream, we did that live, and I showed exactly how much I do have. Now you're going to see up here, I now have 17,484 XRP in my possession. With a little bit more over in Margex, I do have quite a bit, probably getting closer and closer to the 20,000 that I do want to hold. I even said in that video that I produced that I made the other day, talking about how XRP can get to, or I want to hold 20,000 XRP, and I was going to buy $1,000 more. I decided to buy $2,000 more once I saw where this price was. This is for the long term. This is not anything that I need now, anything that I need in the next year. I can see this through as long as I want to. And that's the good thing about it, is I'm not risking more than what I need, what I can afford, right? So I have 17,484, which is over the 17,256 that I did say. I believe that was the number, 17,256, that you need to have as a minimum. However, I have closer to probably 18 or 19,000 when you add in the amount that's on Margex as well as the amount that's on Kraken. So ultimately, I decided to buy more. I'm ready for this to hit $10,000. Does it mean that it's going to hit $10,000? No. But am I ready for it? Absolutely. Absolutely. I don't think I am purchasing any more XRP after this. I think it's just going to be what I can accumulate through Margex as I am trading and leveraging my XRP through Margex. If I can't gain anything else, then I'll sit at 17,000. That's fine. But I do want to get to 20,000 without actually having to spend any more money on XRP or on cryptocurrency. If I was to spend money now, the only place I would spend money is going to be CRO. But I currently have 17,484. Let me know how much you guys have in the comment section. If you have over 20,000, if you have 30,000, let me know. If you bought at a lower level, let me know. But that's my video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Keep on trading, keep on investing, and hopefully, we see a lot better times in the crypto market in the near future. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out Margex down below if you want to start trading, leverage trading, as well as my Patreon and HG access down below. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.